Guardian's Protected Pins is a simple and effective feature to ensure completed work stays completed. For company administrators, it is best to do the initial setup of the Protected Pin feature within the firm's Revit template or WorkShared-enabled starter projects. Any elements that have been pin protected within the template or WorkShared-enabled starter projects will be adopted by all subsequent projects started with either of those. Once the new project has been registered with Guardian, the project team can assign their own protected pins, and the project administrator can customize the protected pin setting for that project. To start using Guardian's protected pins, it must first be turned on within the project configuration that is assigned to your project model. Under the cog icon are the settings to the protected pins feature. The Allow Users to Apply Pin Protections for non-administrator users permits Revit end users to apply their own protected pins. Otherwise, only Guardian project or company administrators are permitted to apply protected pins. Please note, if a Revit end user sets the protected pins to prevent, they will not be permitted to unpin the protected element without the administrator provided password. The next is Repin Protected Elements when opening projects. This will automatically reapply protected pins that have been unpinned through the Protected Pins Management dialog. The Protected Pins Management dialog will be demonstrated later in this video. For Prompt to Pin and Protect after importing or copying CAD, as the CAD file is imported into the project, the user will be prompted to provide a protected pin to the imported CAD file. The same applies for the next setting, Prompt to Pin and Protect after Copy Monitor. The next are for the default settings when a protected pin is initially applied. As with most protections within Guardian, a default protection mode can be set to Monitor, Guide, or Prevent. The default settings can also assign an email to be sent, require comment, and a customized command message. To demonstrate the Protected Pins feature, all the grid lines in the project are selected. To enable a protected pin, the pin command from the Revit ribbon is selected. Clicking on the pin on the selected element will also enable protected pins. Once selected, Guardian's prompt will provide two options. Allow users to unpin, as this will apply a native Revit pin but not provide a Guardian protected pin. The other, warn users when attempting to unpin, will apply Guardian's protected pins to the selected element or elements. The Protected Pins dialog provides the means to customize the settings specifically for the selected element or elements. The initial settings are per the default settings demonstrated earlier in the video. For the selected elements, a Monitor, Guide, or Prevent protection mode can be set, send an email, and require a comment. A customized command message can also be created for those specific protected elements. Back on the Guardian ribbon, by selecting Protected Pins, accesses the Protected Pins Management dialog. Here, all elements that have been pin protected within the project model are listed. Any protection setting can be modified as needed. In addition, protected pins can be temporarily removed, and protections will be automatically reapplied if selected to do so under the protected pin settings. Any element in which the native Revit pin command is available, Guardian's protected pins can be applied. This includes, but not limited to, project base point, sheets, survey point, viewports, and views.